Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a collection. We have already studied about how to create the database. Now we will see how to create a collection here. So first you have to write use testing, in which you have to write switch to DB testing. Okay, these are the terms you have to mention. Then you will write db.create collection of product. After that you will get OK 1. Fine. So these are the details you need to do. Then you go to the local. Again, you refresh. Then you can see it is not running yet. Okay. Then we'll check how. Then we'll check here, and then we will go to the collection. Fine. And let me show you. You have to write it show database, and then all the database will be here only, so you can see on screen. So these kind of database that are available here, that is how you need to do. So that is how the collection will be created. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.